In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. Integrating these two powerful communication tools can truly enhance your workflow, allowing for a more seamless collaboration experience across both platforms. This is particularly useful if your team is split between using Slack and Microsoft Teams, or if you're looking to maximize the capabilities of both systems. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Slack application. Once you're in Slack, head over to the left-hand side of the screen and look for the Apps section. If you don't immediately see it on the side menu, try scrolling down a bit. Apps are where you'll find additional tools that can be added to Slack. After locating the Apps section, click on Add Apps. This is your doorway to accessing the Slack app directory, a treasure trove of applications that can be integrated with Slack to beef up its functionality. Once the directory opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. This will direct you to the Microsoft Teams calls integration feature, which we need to connect the two platforms. Look for an app named Microsoft Teams Calls. It's what makes this integration possible, allowing calls from Microsoft Teams directly within Slack. When you spot it in the list, click on the app. The next step is to add Microsoft Teams calls to your Slack workspace. You'll see an Add to Slack button on the right side of the app page. Go ahead and click that button, and this will initiate the installation process. Following this, you should see a permission screen pop up. This is where Slack will request access to certain functionalities to facilitate the integration with Microsoft Teams. Here, you'll need to click on the Allow button in order to grant access and authorize the connection between these two applications. Once you've hit Allow, you will be redirected back to Slack, and you can breathe a sigh of relief because that's it. You've successfully integrated Microsoft Teams with Slack. Now, within Slack, you can access Microsoft Teams calls and interact with them just like you would within Teams itself. This integration can significantly enhance how efficiently your organization communicates and collaborates, reducing the friction of switching between different apps for different purposes. Remember, leveraging technology like this is all about making your workflow smoother, more connected, and ultimately more productive. Thanks for joining today, and I look forward to seeing how these powerful tools will